painting a 3D jellyfish. Here's everything you will need. We're going to use watercolors to paint our water.
I'm going to start right here, guys. And now we let it dry.
Now you draw your jellyfish and your coral.
And now we're gonna paint them. There we go.
It's okay to go out of the line because we're gonna be cutting them out.
Look at mine, guys. Start painting my jellyfish.
This is what mine look like.
This looks like mine should look like.
Now we set them aside to dry. Now you will use yellow paper to make sand.
They look like this and with glue.
Ta-da! This is what our sand looks like. Now it's time to cut out our jellyfish and our seaweed.
This one is...
We're going to make tentacles for our jellyfish with yarn. Glue your yarn on the back of your jellyfish.
Look at what mine looks like. And we're gonna glue our eyeballs. Let's do it.
To make your jellyfish 3D, you'll need 2 strips of white paper. And you will start to glue them like this. You will fold it like this. It should look like this. And you will glue it like this. Once you have your paper glued on where you want it, glue your jellyfish on there. Now we're gonna glue our seaweed on.
Okay. And now we're gonna glue our shells. This should look like it. Should look like it.
Subscribe to our channel.
And hit that bell.